Nowadays, working virtually has become the rule instead of the exception. This new way of working requires a new way of training and coaching as well. Online facilitation allows you, as a facilitator, trainer or consultant, to reach all your potential clients, regardless of their location. Since 2009, Nomadic IBP has gained lots of experience in the field of online facilitation, and we've trained and certified hundreds of facilitators since.
So I'm really delighted to introduce to you the Train the Online Trainer program, which is one of our core training programs at Nomadic. We're constantly adjusting and developing it to suit new needs and new technologies. It's basically a training program very much run like a coaching group. So I want you to forget about any idea about sitting through a webinar. It's nothing like that at all. Highly interactive program, and we develop it very much around people's experience and needs. So in any one session, you can expect to be spending at least 50% of your time practicing and giving other people feedback, trying out new things. Of course, we do also introduce resources and other ways of learning through a variety of techniques. First thing to say, really, small groups so that people can engage freely and interact all the way through. We run it very much in a conversational way, so it's all about people getting on, talking and getting to find out what each other needs and what they need to develop their style in virtual space. This really is a highly interactive program. We have a lot of flexibility within the structure that runs all the way through, so we can play a little bit, we can take note of what people need specifically and try and tailor the content to individual needs as far as possible. It's an 8-week program, so it is quite a time commitment, 2 hours per session, and we do expect people to attend the majority of those in order to get the certification that goes with this program. It really is a fun experience. That's one of the key things we've heard from our participants all the way through, how enjoyable it is, enjoyable to be able to play online a little bit and learn new things whilst meeting some new people.
Our vision is that online training can be meaningful, inspiring, impactful and fun. By the end of the training, you will be able to deliver and design your own online training sessions in an interactive way. You will be able to handle the technology and apply tricks of the trade.
So finally, is this program for you? So if you're someone who works already as a trainer or a coach face-to-face and you'd like to try and see how it could be to develop skills in the virtual setting, whether you're a beginner or somewhere a bit further along that line, please do give us a try, because I think you will find it really suits your needs. We've worked with people from all companies, cultures and with very different needs, and it's a good starting program for people who would just like to see what it's like and maybe dip their toe into working virtually for the first time, as well as those who are a bit more experienced.
After completion of the program, we can offer you support on virtual facilitation, feedback sessions or advice on an individual basis at an hourly fee. Upon successful completion of the program, you will receive a certificate from Nomadic IBP. With this certificate, ICF members will be able to claim CCE credits. We would like to know about your type of work and your specific expectations. Therefore, the first step in enrolling is to fill out an online survey. We will send you the link for the survey after you've enrolled in the program.